Attention all tailors and manufacturers across the United States. Tired of delays and restrictions from international suppliers? At Arletex, we have the perfect solution that combines quality, affordability, and reliable delivery right to your doorstep. Stay tuned to this video to find out how our Mexico-certified cotton fabric can transform your apparel business and why we are your best ally in the garment industry. You won't want to miss the details we have to share with you. If you're a garment manufacturer or a tote bag tailor, you know that finding the right fabric is crucial. Here at Arletex, we offer more than just fabric. We offer a comprehensive solution made in Mexico. Let's show you how. It all starts with your vision and our 100% natural cotton. But first, a small detail. We require a 50% deposit to start bringing your projects to life with a clear and secure contract. This ensures that your order is handled with the utmost attention and efficiency from the get-go. At Arletex, each roll comes with a Mexican quality certification. This means that every purchase supports the local industry and meets strict standards of sustainability and labor ethics. Our cotton fabric rolls are perfect for a wide range of applications. From fashion to accessories like tote bags, our fabric stands out for its durability and aesthetics. Additionally, we offer affordable prices and an efficient ordering system that allows you to receive your materials wherever you need them in the United States. Are you ready to elevate the quality of your products and ensure timely delivery without complications? Visit our website or contact us directly to start your order. At Arletex, your success is our business, and we're here to help you create products that your customers will love. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make your fashion business a success with Arletex. See you next time, and happy tailoring! Remember, Arletex fabric rolls are just a click away.